Today we will discuss the new topic, that is Poisson's distribution. This is also important topic from the probability distribution. Okay. Now we know that all about the binomial distribution, and this Poisson distribution is the extension of a binomial distribution. Okay. Now definition: in binomial distribution, in binomial distribution, when P is the probability of success, PB probability of success, and or this probability of success is very small, is very small, and the number of trails is large, this is your n, is large, then the mean or Z is finite, then we have to use the Poisson's distribution. Then we will use Poisson's distribution. Okay, तो देखो in short, in Poisson distribution P is very small, that is P tends to 0 and n tends to infinity, implies NP is finite. Okay, NP is finite, and here P tends to 0. Okay, now formula: P of R is equal to e raised to minus z into z raised to r divided by r factorial. This is formula of the Poisson's distribution. P of R is equal to e raised to minus z raised to r upon r factorial. Here z is called as mean. Okay, z is mean and r पे क्या जाएगी? Condition. Okay, तो in simple way, Poisson distribution is the modification of binomial distribution. In the distribution P tends to 0, that is probability of success is very less, and the number of event or number of trails is very high, and this NP is finite. At that time we will use the Poisson's distribution. Okay, now one remark, and this is formula: P of R is equal to e raised to minus z into z raised to r upon r factorial. Okay, z is called mean and r पे क्या है? Condition. Okay, remark: first is mean, that is z is equal to NP, and variance is NPQ. Okay, variance is NPQ. These two terms are important in binomial distribution also and in Poisson distribution also. Mean is z is equal to NP and variance is NPQ in binomial, especially in binomial. Okay, now we will discuss the example on that topic. Example first: a manufacturer of quarter pins manufacturer of quarter pins knows that manufacturer of quarter pins knows that 2% of his product is defective. 2% of his product is defective. If he sells quarter pins in boxes of 100 pins, and guaranteed that not more than 5 pins will be defective. 5 pins will be defective in a box. Find the probability that a box will fail to meet the guaranteed quality. Now look on the board here. Question क्या देखो, first understand the question. A manufacturer of quarter pins, एक कंपनी है वहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा है किसका, क्वार्टर पिन का, and he knows that 2% of his product is defective. कितने परसेंट प्रोडक्ट डिफेक्टिव है? 2%. If he sells quarter pins in a boxes of 100 pins, एक बॉक्स में 100 pins है, and he will sell the 100 boxes and guaranteed that not more than 5 pins will be defective. And यहाँ पे गारंटी क्या है? Not more than 5 pins will be defective. Out of 100 pins in a box, not more than 5 pins will be defective. Okay. Find the probability that a box will fail the guarantee. तो हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे? उन्होंने क्या बताया है? In box maximum 5 pins will be defective. Okay, not more than 5 pins will be defective. Okay, and here we have to find this is your guarantee. Okay, here we have to find fail the guarantee. यहाँ पे हमें find क्या करना है? Fail the guarantee. That is, in box there are 6 pins, 7 pins, 9 pins, 10 pins are defective. Okay, this is your question. Now here n is कितने पिन है एक बॉक्स में? 100. n is equal to 100. Also PB the probability of defective pins. PB probability of defective pins. तो क्या जाएगा? 2%. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? 2 divided by 100. 2% is nothing but 2 divided by 100, and this is 0.02. 0.02. Then after that we have to find the value of Z. Therefore Z is equal to NP the value of n is 100 and value of pin is 0.02. 100 into 0.02, we get this z is 2, mean is 2. Okay, mean is 2. Then by using the Poisson's distribution, we know that the formula of Poisson distribution क्या है उसका formula, P of r is equal to e raised to minus z into z raised to r divided by r factorial. Suppose this is your equation 1. This is your equation 1. Okay. Now we will find the given. यहाँ पे क्या बोल, to fail the guarantee. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है, 6 pins are defective, 7 pins are defective, और 10 pins are defective, और डॉट 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 अप टू 100 pins are defective in a box. गारंटी कहाँ तक दी है उन्होंने, अप टू 5 pins, मैक्सिमम 5 pins are defective in a box. Okay, but here this guarantee fails. उसका मीनिंग क्या है गारंटी फेल का, मे बी 6 pin, 7 pin, 8 pin, 10 pin, up to 100 pins are defective. Okay, so therefore the probability that a box will fail, to meet the guaranteed quality. तो क्या जाएगा, therefore P of r greater than 5, यहाँ पे r greater than 5 फेल होगा, इज इक्वल टू क्या जाएगा 1 माइनस P of r लेस देन और इज इक्वल टू 5. करेक्ट. P of r greater than 5 is nothing but 1 minus P of r less than or is equal to 5. Now solve this. Here we have to find, use the same formula, 1 minus in big bracket, this is your formula, or here put P of r is equal to 0 plus P of r is equal to 1 plus P of r is equal to 2 plus P of r is equal to 3 plus P of r is equal to 4 plus P of r is equal to 5. करेक्ट. r लेस देन और इज इक्वल टू 5, उसका मीनिंग क्या है 0 1 2 3 डॉट 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 अप टू 5. नाउ पुट ऑल दिस वैल्यू इन दिस फार्मूला. हियर द वैल्यू ऑफ z की वैल्यू क्या है, z इज 2, वैल्यू ऑफ z इज 2 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ r इज 0 1 2 3 4 5. सबके समेशन कर दो, वी गेट द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. और आई विल राइट हियर 1 माइनस समेशन r फ्रॉम 0 to 5 e raised to, वैल्यू ऑफ z इज 2, वैल्यू ऑफ z इज 2, z की वैल्यू क्या है 2 इंटू 2 raised to r divided by r factorial. Okay, put in calci, we get answer directly, P of r greater than 5. Find answer of this in calci, we get the answer directly, and answer is 0.165. This is your required answer. Now this is for one box, and for 100 boxes multiply this by 100, we get the probability for 100 boxes. Okay, this is your example first from Poisson's distribution. Okay, तो क्या करना है, first try to understand the given problem and first find the value of z. After that use this Poisson distribution, then see the condition, that is value of r, and solve, we get the required answer. Okay, this is your example number first. Now example second. Second example, the number of road example 2, the number of road accidents on the highway during a month follows a poison distribution with mean 5 find the probability find a probability in a certain month number of accidents on the highway will be first less than 3, and second between 3 and 5. Okay. Now same question, we have to solve this question by using the Poisson distribution. Okay, the number of road accidents on the highway during a month follows a Poisson's distribution with mean क्या दिया है यहाँ पे 5, that is z is equal to 5, दिया है. Then find a probability in certain month the number of road accidents on the highway will be less than 3 and second between 3 and 5. Okay, then by Poisson distribution क्या है उसका फार्मूला, P of R is equal to e raised to minus z into z raised to r upon r factorial. Okay, suppose this is your equation first. Okay, now answer of first का आंसर फर्स्ट क्या दिया है, लेस देन 3. ओके, लेस देन 3 तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है, r इज इक्वल टू 0, r इज इक्वल टू 1, r इज इक्वल टू 2. ओके, तो लेस देन 3. तो क्या जाएगा, P ऑफ और कैपिटल P इज इक्वल टू द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी, P इज इक्वल टू P ऑफ R इज इक्वल टू 0 प्लस P ऑफ R इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस P ऑफ R इज इक्वल टू 2. Okay, that this is your P R less than 3, P of R less than 3. Okay, P of R less than 3, that is P of R is equal to 2, R is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0. Now in this formula put all the value. First क्या जाएगा, put R is equal to 0, e raised to, here mean is 5, तो क्या जाएगा in this formula, put value of Z minus 5 raised to 0 upon 0 factorial, correct, plus now put r is equal to 1 तो क्या जाएगा, e raised to minus 5 raised to 1 upon 1 factorial, here r is 0 factorial, here r is 1 factorial, plus e raised to minus 5 raised to यहाँ पे क्या है 2 divided by 2 factorial. Okay, now solve this by using calci and write the answer, and answer of this question is 0.1 0.124. 0.124. Okay, this is the answer of first. Less than 3 बोल दिया तो P of r is equal to 0, P of r is equal to 1 and P of r is equal to 2. Okay, now second, between 3 and 5. Between 3 and 5. How to solve this between 3 and 5? That is P of 3 less than or is equal to r less than or is equal to 5. Okay, 3 to 5. 3 to 5 is equal to क्या जाएगा? P of r is equal to 3 plus P of r is equal to 4 plus P of r is equal to 5. Okay. Now in this formula, the right value of z is 5 and put value of r. Okay, तो z क्या है 5, तो क्या जाएगा e raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 3 factorial plus e raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 4 upon 4 factorial plus e raised to minus 5 raised to 4 upon sorry, here 5 raised to 5 upon 5 factorial. Okay, by using calci, find answer of this, we get the required answer. Okay, this is your Poisson's distribution and this is all about the Poisson's distribution. Okay, तो Poisson distribution क्या है? This is extension of binomial distribution. Here the probability of success is very very less, that is tends to 0, and number of trails, that is n, is very very high. At that time we have to use the Poisson's distribution. Okay.